Hi everyone, my name is Sasha with the San Antonio Council on Alcohol and Drug Awareness, and today we're going to be talking about friends. Friends are the people that we turn to when we want to have fun, but they're also the people that we turn to when we want to talk and feel supported. So we know that it's important to be a good friend, but how do we do that exactly? One way that we can be a good friend is by treating others the way that they would like to be treated. This probably sounds really familiar. It probably sounds like the golden rule, which is to treat others the way that we would like to be treated. The first way to be a good friend that I'm going to talk about today is listening. When we're listening, we're showing that person that they're important to us and that we respect them. Another way to be a good friend is by working out conflicts that you have, working together to resolve that conflict. So all friendships have conflict. All friendships will have disagreements, but just remember that most of those disagreements are able to be resolved and moved past. Here are some ways to resolve disagreements with friends. So the first way is to be patient. Be patient with that person and to be patient with ourselves. The next thing is to be open to the other person's point of view. So when we make ourselves open, we give ourselves and the friendship that much more of a chance of being able to move past the conflict. Being empathetic is another good thing. It's being able to put yourself in that person's shoes and really kind of imagine feeling how they're feeling. And remember, just because you have a disagreement doesn't mean that the friendship has to end. And then lastly, you can agree to disagree. So maybe you couldn't come to a conclusion with your friend, but you can agree to disagree. So forgive each other, and move on. So the next thing that I want to talk about has less to do with the other person directly and more to do with ourselves. And so that involves being ourselves, being genuine, and being confident and proud of who we are. That means treating our bodies with respect and not using alcohol or drugs to change our mood, using healthy coping skills, exercising, eating healthy foods. It also involves remembering that we're unique people with positive qualities. If you show yourself caring and acceptance, it's way easier to show others caring and acceptance. So it starts with us. So the last thing that I want to talk about is being someone that others can count on. So you want to be trustworthy, you want to keep the promises that you make to the people that you care about, you want to be an honest person, and you want to be a reliable person, which is exactly what we expect from other people. So the things that we talked about today are not only things that we can do to be a good friend, but they're also things that we can look for in others or look at in our friends. So we want to pick friends that will help us make healthy choices, and we also want to be those people in our friends' lives that will help them make healthy choices. So remember, you have a choice about what friends that you allow and have in your life. Thanks for watching.